Hey guys, and welcome to a new video on how to do. Today I will show you how to get a split screen in DaVinci Resolve 18. For this I've already two videos in my timeline, and here you can see them, and I've got them both on top of each other. So what you want to do now to make a split screen of these two videos is click on the first one, then go over to the left side and click on this window here, transform, and then click it until this pops up. Then with this you can drag it how you want, and as you can see below you can see the second video. So let's say we want to do it like this. Of course you can make just a big screen and then a small screen, for example in the bottom right corner like this, if you like this, but we want to make a split screen. So we just put it here, then we click the second video. Of course we have the transform button here.